Hello everyone, Dr. Arshi is here, and as I promised, I'm gonna review the Anavar, the 50 milligram from Pharmaqo. Disclaimer, I have to explain that I do not advocating of taking any kind of steroid, human growth hormone, Anavar or so. If you want to do it, please do it under your own risk and discuss with your own doctor. These are only for entertainment purposes, and basically I share my information with you basic on my research and my analysis, and just inform you which one has more active ingredient, which one has less, which one basically has the active ingredient that they mention on the box or not. So please be careful, just do not put anything inside your system based on me, myself, or other people's comments. So all of that has been said, or I already explained that Anavar at the low dosage of 10 to 20 milligram doesn't do anything for male, especially male at their between 20 to 45, 50. You cannot see any kind of differences even if you take it for a long time. At the same time, it will has a negative effect on your body. It will stop your own testosterone production, and so for that reason people always exceed and go to 40 to 50 milligram. So for that matter, because they don't want to take bunch of tablet together, now we have Anavar, which is one pill has 50 milligrams. So most of these pills are the binder, which I already explained, like the high quality one using crystallized cellulose, which is very high quality. It doesn't let the ingredient tear apart, all the binder and the ingredient tear apart, so you don't see much powder inside these boxes. Especially I believe Pharmaqo using the same thing, because even though this product made 1.5 years ago, you still see all the pills are intact and well. So the binder is good, no problem. However, I'm kind of facing some doubt that I'm going to share with you. This is not my final analysis, because as I explained in the previous video, the 10 milligram Anavar had only around 10 to 12% mistake, 10 to 12% it was underdosed. However, and that's very common between the black market, but however, this 50 milligram Anavar is almost 20% low dosed. So it is not 50 milligram, it is something around 38 to 40 milligram, maybe 41 milligram, something around there. Even when I calculated my possible mistakes and errors, it's still something around 40 milligrams. So it is way underdosed. That brings me to some kind of dilemma, because I got both pills from the same person who used it at the gym, and the boxes look very genuine. So for that matter, at this moment, my analysis for Anavar 50 milligram is underdosed by 20%. However, I'm gonna contact the website, which I found with directly selling the Pharmaqo Pharmaqo steroids, and I'm gonna ask them to send me a 50 milligram Anavar. And if that also goes wrong, if that one also confirmed to be 20% less, then I can strongly say this specific product, Anavar 50 milligram from Pharmaqo, is way underdosed, and 20%, 25% is very, very not reasonable, especially even in the black market industry. So please stay tight. Once I get those stuff, I'm gonna upload and explain to you further regarding this product. So that is for today. I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.